Hello, and welcome. This video was created to help customers of Valui with their online ordering. If this is your first order with Valui, we recommend watching the video in full. For returning customers, we have added timestamps so you can easily find the segment of information that you may require. There are two ways to access your Valui account. The first way to access the account is to simply enter onlineorder.creprat.com into your web browser. The second way to access your account is to click Business Login and click the prompt on the valui.com website. Once completed, you will be met with a login screen in which you may enter your details. Upon creation of your account, we advise you that you visit User Settings. To access User Settings, click your account's name on the top left of your screen. Once you have done this, you will be able to change your password and change your account's email. Additionally, to suit your needs, you are able to change the website's language and alter the theme in which your website is displayed. Under Main Menu, there are 5 categories: Account Status, Order Inquiry, Quantity Inquiry by category, and Quantity per capita. Account Status is first. Account Status will allow you to view your account's total balance, your current balance, what's now due to be paid from your account, what's 30 to 60 days overdue and what's over 60 days overdue. You will be able to see your credit limit, and additionally will get a rating on your credit history which is judged off past transactions. Next is Order Inquiry. Order Inquiry will allow you to perform a check on an order you have placed. You may do this by entering the relevant data in the following categories. Shipping status: has the order been shipped? The relevant category of products: what type of product are you looking for? Enter the data range of which order you are inquiring about, when did you place the order, and enter the stock code of the product which you are looking for. You do not need to enter answers into all the categories provided, however the more information provided will lead to a higher success rate of finding the order you are looking for. Once completed, you will see the order number, branch who made the order date, stock code, description of the product, quantity ordered, quantity invoiced, and the cost invoiced. Then you have Quantity Inquiry. A quantity inquiry is the next function that can be performed. You must once again enter the relevant details performed in the order inquiry. You will then be able to see the branch, category, stock code, description, units, quantity ordered, quantity invoiced, and the cost invoiced. Furthermore, you have Quantity Inquiry by category. A quantity inquiry by category is a useful function that allows you to see the relevant expenditure in specific categories. You will be able to see the quantity ordered, quantity invoiced, and cost invoiced for each category of products. Lastly, is the function Quantity per capita. Quantity per capita allows you to see quantity invoiced, and the cost invoiced in a convenient per resident basis. Residence is the section that you can use to manage your residents' continence needs. Functions include creation of a ward, adding allocation of incontinence aids to each resident, viewing and printing allocation charts of all or your selected residents for pad bags and care plans. Additionally, data and allocation of your residents will be able to be exported in Excel if you are to make changes to the majority of your residents. To begin, click Create Wards and then enter in the name of your ward. Your list of wards can be edited or deleted at all times through clicking Edit or Delete. You can then add a new resident through clicking the prompt. To add a new resident, you must enter the resident's first and last name, details about which room they are in, and if you want the paperwork invoiced to the facility. To ensure data inputting accuracy, the room bubble is for numbers, and bed number bubble is for any lettering that may be used in specifying the resident's location. In accordance with your continence assessment, you may select the product from Valui product list for your resident for each time slot: morning, afternoon, night. You may then enter the number of products to be used for each time slot. In the meantime, you may also allocate toilet times for your residents. The selected time slots will be highlighted in red when being printed out. Once you have finished with the client's details, please press Submit. Additionally, to optimize the process of adding new residents, you may click Add a group of residents to save time on manually entering the data for each resident. To save you the headache during the process of data feeding, Valui will be more than happy to do this on your behalf. Once data is received, Valui will ensure the details of your residents' incontinence needs are uploaded. View Residence List is the most detailed function within the Residence section. It conveniently allows you to add new residents, print summative allocation for distribution to rooms, print detailed allocations and print a name list of all your residents. To just print allocation for your selected ward, you may select the wards and then press search. All functions will print information for your selected residents only. All functions are view, edit, and delete. You may see details of allocation of a resident by using view, and you may print an individual allocation chart for that resident only using the printing functions. Like the function of add a new resident, you may wish to use edit to update and change allocation of a resident. You may use delete if a resident does not need continence aids anymore. Next, the demand lists by allocation is a useful function that allows clients to view a ward's demand for Valuis in continence aids over a specific period. This function was created to ensure optimal inventory efficiency, helping with stock allocation. The demand list function should make it easier for your facility to manage public holidays, while also reducing any burden caused by staff shortages. Simply use the function by entering the number of days you wish to monitor and click the ward in which you want to monitor. Once complete, you will be able to export the demand list to Excel, or print the PDF version. The View/Print Summative Allocation Charts is a shortcut to allow you to print allocation of incontinence aids for all your residents. Both the View/Print Detailed Allocation Charts in A4 and A5 are a shortcut that allows you to print detailed allocation in A4 for your care plans and A5 for your bags for all your residents. The export allocation in Excel will allow you to export your residents' incontinence plans to Excel. Note: the functions mentioned will print charts with all your wards and their residents. If you wish to print these charts for a specific ward, we recommend using the View Residence List function and follow the available prompts. The Clients section is for those who are, or for those who manage and care, for low care and home care clients. This function allows you to manage your residents' billing needs. When receiving your orders, each invoice will have the details of your selected residents. By clicking on to Manage Clients, this will allow you to add new clients and view or edit current clients. Add a Group of Clients category helps simplify the process of adding a group of clients. Just like add a group of residents in the Residents section, it will save your time uploading each of your clients' information manually. Once this data is received, Valui will ensure the details of your clients' incontinence are uploaded. Now we will move on to how you can order with Valui. In the Orders section, there are 4 functions you can perform: place an order, order status, print invoices batch, and lastly print delivery docket. The Place an Order function allows you to order Valui products through 2 different approaches. If you are confident about what you want to order, you can place an order via frequently ordered items. You may do this by entering the numbers of cartons needed into the column of quantity and then click Add to Sales Order, which will lead you to the second page of our ordering. If the items that you want do not show up, you may click the prompt labeled, Here, in red, to display all of our products at the bottom of the page. Another way to start your order is to use our automated ordering, which is based on your allocation list. You can do this by first going to the bottom of the page, then you may enter the number of days for your order and then select the relevant ward that your orders are for. After that, you may click Workout Orders. Workout Orders will calculate the exact quantity of the items that you need for residents in the selected ward, for the number of days in accordance with their allocation. While the recommended quantities are shown in the column of quantity, you may wish to enter stock into the column of stock, taking pieces only that automatically take off from your recommended quantities. You may also enter any items that are not on your allocation list, such as wet wipes and net pants, into your order here. Once you are happy, you may click Add to Sales Order or Next to move the second page of our ordering. At the second page of our ordering, you may see the list of items you need to order, but you may modify the quantities once again in the column of carton quantity. If you are happy with the list, you may click Enter Delivery Details and Confirm Order to move the third page of our ordering. The third page of our ordering autofills in your address and details. It also allows you to specify the date you wish your orders to be dispatched and add any instructions in comments. Once you are positive with your order, you may click Place Order to move to the fourth page of our ordering. While our system also allows you to create recurring orders, please call us and we will guide you through to use this function. At the top of the fourth page, you should see Success Report, with an order number blank has been entered. However, functions of print packing slip and invoice have been disabled. You may use print your order by using order status, which we will go through now. Our order status function allows you to search for a specific order, and then gauge information regarding the order's status. To simplify the process, enter your order number and customer reference number if available. Setting a date will also reduce the number of results. Upon successful completion, you will be met with results that have the order number, customer name, branch name, customer order number if applicable, order date, location of delivery, order total with any relevant costs if applicable. You will also be able to print the order's delivery details. If you are looking for a particular product, use the part selection below. To simplify the process, select a stock category, text extracts that feature in its description or the product's stock code. Furthermore, the Print Invoices batch allows you to print invoices or credit notes. To complete this process, select whether you would like to print invoices or credit notes in the drop-down bar. Then enter the Start Invoice Note Number to print and End Invoice Note Number to print if applicable. Once completed, you will have a PDF file of said invoices or credit notes which you can print. The final function in the Orders section is Print Deliveries. Print Deliveries, as expected, will allow you to print your deliveries. To ensure the results are kept within your desired timeframe, enter a start and end delivery note number. Time to look at the Analytics section of the Valui website. The Analytics section will enable you to generate and view critical data analyzing methods. Cost and quantity line charts, histograms and histograms by category are vital tools that will allow you to gain insight into both the costs and quantity of your incontinence aids. Simply enter the relevant dates in the drop-down boxes in the data analysis method of your choice. Once completed, the chosen analysis tool will be compiled and displayed. Here are a few examples of what you can quickly compile using our Analytics section. The Valui Continence Management Kit section is a vital tool that allows you access key Valui resources that will help with your continence management. In all resources, you will be able to see content relating to bladder and bowel control, guides which help with specific issues. There is access to resources like the Valui Allocation Matrix, which greatly helps you allocate our incontinence aids to residents, users. Additionally, in training resources you will have access to content that should help you with the training of staff. Key training videos compiled from our educational team will be available, as well as the PowerPoint presentations and handouts that feature in our highly regarded educational training and Q&A sessions. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been helpful. Please contact us if you have any questions or need further assistance.